valid anagram. This question was asked in Google, Facebook, and many more companies. Here, we are given two strings S and T, and we have to tell that by rearranging T, can we form S again? And all the letters inside S and T are lowercase letters. So you can see here, by example, let's say S is equals to RAT, and T is equals to TAR. So by rearranging T, we can form S again. So it will be true that yes, it is an anagram. But here we can see APP and APE. We cannot rearrange the letters of T to form S again. So it will be false that it is not an anagram. Now to solve this question, there are multiple ways to solve this question, but we will use an hash map. So what we will do, we will run a loop over both the strings at the same time. So at iteration I is equals to 0, we will take the first character of both the strings. So it will, for S and T, it will be, first it will be R, and for T, it will be T. And we will check if this key is available in the hash map or not. If it is not available, we will give it a value of 1 for S and -1 for the letters of T. So for T, it will be -1. In the second iteration, I is equals to 1, A will come and A will come. So again, since the hash map already contains this, so since it is coming first, A will come and we will give it a value of 1. And now when the A of T comes, it will see that A is already present here. So it will do a -1. That will be 0. In the third iteration, 1. The third iteration, T will come here and R will come here. So it will see that R is already here and T is already here. So when T will come, the key value pair of for T is already here. So it will do a +1, it will be 0, and it will do a -1, it will be 0. And at last, we will check that all key points to 0. If all key points to 0, that means S and T are anagram of each other. And if any element, if any key points to any value which is negative or positive, anything besides 0, anything besides 0, it is not an anagram and we have to return false. Time complexity of this will be O of n because we are iterating through the strings only once, and space will be also O of 1 because we are creating an hash map, so it will be O of n. More ways to solve this is creating two hash maps and check if the both hash maps are same or not. It can also be solved by a fixed array, and it can also be solved by sorting both of the strings first. So that is it for the video, and I will gonna see you in the next one.